I'm going to stay with Hendrix and do another song by Jimi Hendrix. And this one is, the reason I do these together, because I want to show you a little bit of the evolution of Jimi Hendrix and the blues. This one is called Little Wing. And although it's not a straight up blues song, it's got a really beautiful blues type guitar. But what he does is he kind of goes. Now, he definitely has a blues flavor in that song, but he makes it his own. So I'm going to run through the chords for you, and then I'm going to show you a couple little blues licks that you can play in the song of Little Wing. Starts out with an E minor, walking through the pine, to a G, to an A minor, the circus mine, to an E minor, B minor, butterflies and zebra, A minor to C, G, F, C, D, okay, I'm going to go over that slow, and then I'm going to show you some of the chords I use. There's your E minor to G. Now this particular G, you can do it that way, or you can do it, this is another way I do it, and I'm going to use it again in another song, is you like a regular G, right? But let's open up that G note. See how that works? What's cool about that is you can go, which is very Hendrixy if you think about it. So, see, I've got that open G chord. So you got your E minor, then you got your A minor, or you can play it up here. Sometimes I go, just to get a little flavor out of it, to an E minor. Then we go to a B minor, straight B minor. Now here you have an option, you can chromatically walk down, you can go, I wouldn't do it every time, but sometimes. Or you can do a hammer-on. That's very blues, very bluesy Hendrix. And then go to your C to G. And then F, C to D. Now he uses a wang bar. I just shake my neck. Okay, so that's Little Wing. I'll give you one more time through, and I'm gonna play it a little bit slower so maybe you can get a few of the licks that I'm doing, okay? I'll walk up to the G. A little tremolo at the end, huh? So I spent a little extra time on that one because I wanted to illustrate, as I'm showing you through these songs, what can be done with them, you know, in a blues way, in a bluesy way. You know, as I mentioned, Hendrix, of course, is, you know, was such a great blues player. He really was. But he took it to places it had never been before. So did Clapton, for that matter. And I think the modern blues, of course, we owe a debt to the masters, you know, from the old days, but it's also our job to, you know, kind of make it our own, put our own stamp on it, and I think that's important. Guys like Gary Moore, Robert Cray, Eric Clapton, obviously Jimmy Page, they all have their own kind of flavor. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Make sure you check out all the links in the description below where you can get free gifts and access to more lessons.